and start earning a decent income. So many people struggle to get started with affiliate marketing because they don't know where to begin. They might throw up a website, toss up some links, and then wonder why they're not making any sales. Or they'll spend hours creating content, only to see it fall flat with their audience. Maybe they'll even try to promote products that just don't resonate with their audience, leading to low conversion rates and disappointment. Then there's the age-old question of choosing the right niche. Is it better to go broad or go narrow? How do you even know what niche to choose in the first place? And what if you choose a niche that's too competitive, or one that's just not profitable? These are all common struggles that beginners face in affiliate marketing, and they can be overwhelming. But what if I told you that these struggles are completely avoidable? That with the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome these obstacles and start generating significant income through affiliate marketing? It's not rocket science, but it does require a willingness to learn and adapt. So, let's dive into some effective strategies for affiliate marketing. First and foremost, you need to select high-paying affiliate programs. It doesn't matter if you're promoting physical products or digital ones. What matters is that the program you choose is reputable, reliable, and pays out generously. You should also take the time to understand your target audience. What are their pain points? What are their goals and desires? What problems do they need solving, and how can you help them? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can start creating content that resonates with them. This could be blog posts, videos, social media posts, or even podcasts. The key is to create content that speaks directly to their needs and desires. And of course, you need to promote products that align with those needs and desires. When you do this, you'll start to see your conversion rates soar, and your affiliate earnings will follow suit. But there's one strategy that stands head and shoulders above the rest. One strategy that can dramatically increase your affiliate earnings almost overnight. And that's the power of building an email list. When you have a list of subscribers who trust you, who look forward to your emails, and who are eager to buy from you, you'll be amazed at how quickly your affiliate earnings can grow. I've seen people go from zero to hero in a matter of weeks, just by building a list and promoting products to it. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to do, once you know the secrets. I've seen people use this strategy to earn thousands of dollars in a single day. I've seen people use this strategy to build six-figure businesses in a matter of months. And I've seen people use this strategy to achieve financial freedom and live the life they've always dreamed of. So, what's the catch? It simply takes a willingness to put in the work, to follow the right strategies, and to be patient. To recap, the key to success in affiliate marketing lies in selecting high-paying affiliate programs, understanding your audience, creating resonant content, and building an email list. These strategies are tried, tested, and proven to work, and when you combine them, you'll be amazed at the results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll be sharing some advanced affiliate marketing techniques to take your business to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your